Hello there guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unfriend on Discord Android. First of all guys, I need to mention that there is no compatibility between Android and iPhone. It is the same process. We are working now on Android, but don't worry about it, the same process, the same rights. Now you should follow me. First, go on your left upper side and click on the dots icon. Then you should select the chat section and you should find the friend that you want to unfriend them. For example, I'll do it for the last one. Now what you need to do is to tap on his name and then tap it again. Now go on the icons dot apple on the right upper side, and then as you can see you have two options for blocking him and removing him as a friend. Go remove friend, and now guys, friend has been removed. You know how to unfriend on Discord Android, you know how to unfriend on Discord iPhone. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.